There are some people that are asking, how do people give themselves the hiccups on command? Well, it all depends on the individual. Practice makes perfect. Some people do have the experience, some people don't. And those of you that don't have the experience, all you gotta do is just rub your chin. You rub it and rub it and rub it like if you have an intense itch till it turns solid red. Then you feel this pressure. The pressure keeps expanding so much until, out of the blue, you just hiccup. I could show you right now. I bet you in less than a minute I'll start hiccuping. Rub your chin. Rub it, rub it, rub it. I'm feeling some pressure and it's starting to expand on my chin. And before you know it, you start to hiccup. I think there's something that you trigger. Somehow, well, you could trigger the belly muscle to bounce from your chin. You just rub it, rub it, rub it, and you hiccup. And that's how you give yourself the hiccups on command. Let me tell you one thing though. I can easily turn them on, but I can't turn them off. Once you hear them, you gotta deal with it, so you can't shut me up, okay? Anyway, I hope this works. To some of you who are wondering, practice makes perfect. If you don't succeed the first time, keep going. Keep trying, see? Now I can't get myself to stop. And that's how you give yourself the hiccups. These are not fake hiccups, I promise you that. These are real hiccups from the belly muscle, I guarantee it. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.